Today, we are not having a regular English class. Today's session is not about grammar or vocabulary. This is something deeper, something closer to the soul. Today is about you, your energy, your alignment, your transformation. So, wherever you are right now, whether you're sitting at home, lying on your bed, or walking in a park, just take a moment and pause. Find stillness. Let go of all the rush, all the noise, all the expectations. Close your eyes gently. Take a deep breath. Hold it. And slowly exhale. Because this video is not just to be heard. It's meant to be felt. A moment of truth. Sometimes in the quiet corners of our lives. When no one is watching. When we're alone with our thoughts. A question softly arises in our mind. Can I really change my life? Can I truly rewrite the story I'm living? And in that sacred silence, if you listen closely, you'll hear the universe whispering back, yes, you can, but only when you choose to change your frequency within. Because the outside world is nothing but a reflection of what's vibrating inside of you. The law of vibration. Everything around you, everything within you is energy. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, every belief you carry vibrates at a specific frequency. Just like radio stations broadcast their signals, you too are constantly broadcasting your energy into the universe. Even your body, your skin, your heartbeat, your breath is pure energy in motion. And the signals you send out, they shape your reality. They pull people, situations, and even opportunities toward you or away from you. The good news? You are not stuck with any frequency. You can shift it. You can raise it. You can transform it. And one of the simplest, most powerful ways to do that is through gratitude. The power of gratitude. Gratitude isn't just about saying thank you. It's about feeling a deep, sincere appreciation for what you already have, no matter how small. Each night before you sleep, write down 10 things you're truly grateful for. Not just big things, even the smallest joys. A warm cup of tea, the smile of a stranger, a soft breeze on your face, or the comfort of your pillow. When you sleep with gratitude in your heart, your subconscious mind absorbs those emotions and begins to reprogram your energy. You wake up lighter, more aligned, and you start attracting things that match your elevated vibration. More peace, more clarity, more abundance. It's not magic, it's alignment. The law of attraction. Reimagined, you've probably heard about the law of attraction. It's everywhere. Vision boards, affirmations, manifestations. But here's a deeper truth. The law of attraction doesn't work on its own. It is powered by the law of vibration. You attract not what you want, but what you are, what you vibrate. If you carry fear, you attract confusion. If you carry love, you attract connection. If you carry lack, you attract more situations of scarcity. But if you carry gratitude, if you embody abundance, if you truly believe that you are enough, then the universe responds like a mirror, reflecting back exactly what you are radiating. You become a magnet for all the beauty, joy, and success you used to only dream of. The law of mirrors, facing your inner truth. This law is not always easy to accept, but it is deeply liberating. It says, Everything you experience in your external world is a reflection of your internal world. If your life feels chaotic, if people around you are draining your energy, if situations keep repeating that hurt you, pause. Don't judge. Don't blame. Instead, ask gently, what is this trying to teach me? Is there a belief inside me that's attracting this? Is there a wound within me that still needs healing? The law of mirrors is not here to punish you. It's here to wake you up, to help you see the patterns so you can finally break them. Every toxic pattern is an invitation to choose differently, to heal, to grow, to realign. The Law of Dharma. Discovering your true purpose. You are not here by accident. You were born for a reason, with a unique blend of gifts, passions, and experiences that no one else has. The Law of Dharma says, your life has a purpose. And that purpose is not to simply survive, but to express your soul. When you use your gifts to create, to teach, to love, to inspire, you activate the law of compensation, and the universe begins to reward you. Financially, emotionally, spiritually. True success isn't about chasing what the world wants. It's about serving your truth, listening to your inner calling, and answering it with courage. And remember, when you help others rise, you rise too. Because giving is receiving. Even the act of donating a small part of your income to something meaningful can unlock a river of prosperity. The law of oneness. We are all connected. You are not separate from others. We are all threads in the same cosmic fabric. When you celebrate someone's success, you invite your own. But when you feel jealousy, you block your own blessings. Because the energy you send out is the energy you live in. Celebrate others. Uplift others. And you uplift yourself. The universe doesn't speak in words. It speaks in energy. The law of inspired action. Flow over force manifestation is not just about imagining. It's also about moving, but not through struggle, not through stress, through inspired action. Align with the highest version of yourself. Close your eyes and ask, if I already had everything I desired, what would I do today? Then do that. That small step from inspiration can change everything. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters, from the right state of being. The law of balance. Sacred masculine and feminine. Inside you, there are two sacred energies. The feminine, to feel, receive, imagine. The masculine, to act, to build, to lead. One is not better than the other. They are partners. They are balance. When you ignore your feminine, you lose your intuition. When you ignore your masculine, you lose your structure. True power is in embracing both, listening to your soul, and taking aligned, courageous action. The law of patterns. Embrace the cycles. Life is not linear. It moves in seasons, just like nature. There will be winters, moments of stillness, doubt, or pain. Don't resist them. They are sacred. Winter is not the end. It's the preparation for spring. When you recognize the patterns in your life and choose to work with them instead of against them, you move faster, you grow deeper, you become unstoppable. The law of cause and effect. Planting sacred seeds. Every word you speak, every thought you think, every act you choose is a seed you plant in the fertile soil of your subconscious. The soil doesn't judge. It doesn't decide what to grow. It simply multiplies what you give it. So give it love. Give it peace. Give it dreams. Give it clarity. And watch what grows. You are the gardener, and your mind is your garden. The law of infinite possibilities. There are no limits. This is where it all leads, to the final truth. There are no limits. There are only possibilities. Your imagination is a doorway. Whatever you can see in your mind, you can hold in your hands. You are the creator of your life. And miracles? They begin with belief. Make a promise to yourself, right here, right now. Promise yourself that you will. Raise your frequency intentionally. Live your life with consciousness. Take inspired, loving action. Trust the universe's timing. Celebrate your journey because you are worthy. You are ready. And you are already becoming the person your future is waiting for. Thank you for walking with me on this journey. The universe is listening. It is responding. It is supporting every step you take. Love, light, power, your manifestation begins now. If this video touched your heart, write your dream in the comments. Don't hold back. Don't filter. Just write. Let it begin. And if you want more light, more guidance, and more growth, subscribe to Simple Spoken English. Because this is not just a channel. It's a family, a frequency,